From Daily Forex, this is Chris looking at the euro and the pound. And you can see the euro has had a slightly positive session during trading on Wednesday, but really at this point, we're waiting for the Federal Reserve to come out and tell us what it's going to do with respect to monetary policy. And that, of course, will have a major influence on the greenback. That being said, we're right in the middle of the overall consolidation. So look at these lines here, 114.5 and 112.5. I'm willing to buy down here, willing to sell up here. Unless we break 115, that would change the entire attitude of the market, and we could start to make a serious move. Right now, though, I suspect we're going to get very noisy action, and then at the end of the day, probably end up in this range anyways. Over here in the British pound, we did try to rally during the day on Tuesday, gave back quite a bit of the gains. Looks like we're going to go looking towards 134.5 eventually, and then 135. If we do pull back, I think 130 on a breakdown below 132 is another buying opportunity. Not interested in shorting. This shows resiliency. We're just kind of hanging about. A delayed Brexit is all but insured at this point, so if we can get some type of dovishness out of the Fed, that's all it would need to send this higher.